Hello again, my ghouls and goblins. Your host, Ruby Gray, and I have quite the gift. I wonder what it could be. My dear friend just sent me this awful PR box. Let's see what we have inside. Witch's brew, monster fingers, eat your heart out. Oh, deadly nightshades, coffin block 666. Now the creator of this PR box, you might say she's a bit mad. I would call her eccentric though. Let's go ahead and take a look at her, shall we? I'll be seeing you very soon, my darlings.
Hey there, all you ghouls and goblins. I am Ruby, and happy spooky season. Today I'm going to be showing you how I transform myself into a makeup mad scientist. I'm going to start by priming my face as well as my eyes, and it is about around right here where I realize I mess up, okay? I tried to do two different colored eyes. It did not go as planned. So I just went ahead and went with the eye that I did like, and I'm going to be showing you how to do that eye. So I'm going in with this brown shade. I'm going to be smoking it up into my crease, and I'm also going to be kind of shading it out on the outer corner of my eye in an upwards motion. Then I'm going to go in with this black shade, and I like to gradually build up my black eyeshadow because if I go in too hot with it, it is going to end up looking really muddy. So I go ahead and just gradually build it up, and I'm going to be kind of blending it in with that brown shade, and I'm also going to be taking it on the outer edge of my eye and blending it upwards. Blending. All right, now I'm going to go in with this Stay Naked foundation, and guess what? My video gets messed up again. I get a little out of focus, and I also can't hold on to my foundation brush, so I'm gonna spare you guys that. Move on to my neck and my ears. I'm gonna make sure those blend in seamlessly with my face. I also use a tad bit of powder to go ahead and use on my T-zone and under my eyes. I don't like to bake my eyes. It just doesn't end up right for me. It looks a little crusty, so just lightly apply it. Now I'm going to be taking the same brown shade, and I'm going to be creating kind of a, well, black eye. And I'm also going to be taking that shade upwards towards my brow, a little bit above my brow, just a tad bit. And I'm going to go ahead and do my other eye the same way, as well as bring that brown shade up onto my temple. Now I'm going to take this red, and I'm going to pretty much make it look like my under eyes are a little bloodshot. I gradually build up the red, kind of like I did with the black, and I'm going to be focusing it underneath as well as and under that flare I have on the edge of my eye. Now for the fun part. Glitter. I'm going to be adding a little bit of glitter to the very inner corners of my eyes, and then going in with a gray shade, I'm going to contour basically my cheekbones and my forehead. And I'm also going to be using a tad bit of that red, very diluted, over those gray spots just to kind of blend it together, give my face a little bit of a color. Well, kind of a dead color, I guess you could say. I also do the same with my neck and up the sides of my neck, and I contour my nose with the gray shade. I also go in underneath the bottom of my nose, and I make it look really dirty, like something exploded in my nose. Maybe a science project. Not sure what exploded. Now I go in with this lovely red shade and give myself some beautiful red pouty lips. And guess what? Just when you think they are absolutely perfect, you're gonna want to go in and mess it all up. Just bring it down the side of your face. Just stick your fingers in there and mess it up. Now I put on this overly teased gray wig and some safety goggles. Make sure those are secure over my head and my wig. And now I'm going in with the very last but not least, my brows. I'm going to be using an upwards motion to create little crazy brow hairs, and I always do my brows last. I don't know why. But now that we're done with that, time for the montage. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little quick tutorial. I hope to get a little bit better with filming these and voice recording in the future, but I hope all of you have a really awesome spooky season. Be kind, be creepy, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Bye!